Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a hot topic for car enthusiasts. Car wrap versus paint. What's the difference? Especially in 2025, with all the new tech and materials, this decision can make or break your ride's look and longevity. Let's break it down step by step. First off, what's a car wrap? It's like a giant sticker made from vinyl that you apply over your car's existing paint. It's super popular because it's quick, customizable, and reversible. On the flip side, traditional car paint involves spraying and curing a layer of pigment directly onto the car's surface for a permanent finish. When it comes to cost, wraps are usually more budget-friendly. In 2025, you can get a high-quality wrap for around $2,000 to $5,000, depending on the design and your car. Painting, however, might set you back $3,000 to $10,000 or more, especially with advanced eco-friendly paints hitting the market. That's a big difference if you're on a tight budget. Durability is another key factor. Wraps can last 5 to 10 years with proper care, and they're great for protecting your original paint from scratches and UV rays. But paints, especially the new ceramic-infused ones in 2025, can last 10 to 15 years and offer better resistance to fading. However, wraps win in flexibility. You can change colors or designs without damaging the car underneath. Application process? Wraps are applied by professionals in a matter of days, often without needing to strip the car down. Painting requires more prep work, like sanding and priming, which can take a week or longer. Plus, with 2025's smart wraps that include self-healing technology, minor damages fix themselves. That's mind-blowing. Maintenance-wise, wraps are easier. Just wash them gently and avoid harsh chemicals. Paints might need waxing or polishing to keep that shine. But if you're thinking about resale value, original paint under a wrap could boost it, while a fresh paint job adds a premium feel. So, which one should you choose? If you love experimenting with looks and want something temporary, go for a wrap. For a classic, long-lasting finish, paint is your best bet. Thanks for watching. If you have questions, drop them in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car tips. See you next time.